So if you're facing a lag problem on your Instagram Reels, in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can fix that. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so if you're having a lag on your Instagram Reels, all you need to do now, the major reason behind this is that might be your app is not updated. So you just have to go to your Google Play Store or App Store, anything you have. After that, search for Instagram there. Check if there is any update for Instagram is currently available. Then you just have to update your Instagram to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs and missing features is obviously the update. So you just need to update Instagram to its latest version. And once you have done with that, now the second thing you need to require is you're gonna delete the corrupted cache of your Instagram. And to do that, you're gonna go to your Instagram, hold the application, go to app info. In here, you're gonna go to storage usage and simply click on clear cache, so that all the corrupted cache memory of your Instagram will be deleted and you will get a resetted version of Instagram. After doing these two things, you're gonna go and relaunch your Instagram. And this time most probably you will not get any lag on your Instagram Reels. So this is basically how you can fix Instagram Reels lag problem. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.